Good morning, my name is Kavin. I'm in 9th grade and I'm going to be explaining about the chemistry and Javvarisi or Sago granules. So, we all have eaten the famous 8 culinary dish called Javvarisi payasam at least once in our life. But usually what they say is Javvarisi and Javvarisi payasam are good for us since it has various gut health benefits. But I am here to say it is not true. Because as we have learned in the chapter Food Improvement and Resources in 9th grade, we got to know that Javvarisi is made from tapioca root. This tapioca root is taken, harvested, then they grind the tapioca root until the starch is separated. The starch is then polished and bleached and treated in a vat of chemicals such as sodium metabisulfite, sulfur dioxide and calcium hypochlorite. All these chemicals are then leave residues in the polished and packaged final product which is commercially used as Javvarisi. This is something of an example. The main culprit here is a chemical called sodium metabisulfite. This chemical has a pH value of around 4 and 5.5. It is around a tomato and a cup of milk, but the problem is the acute quantities present in the Sago granules. Well, this will lead, after consumption over long periods of time, to death of good gut health bacteria, and in worst cases, it might lead to liver failure. We can see the structure, the chemical structure of sodium metabisulfite. In this chemical, we are able to see there are two molecules of sodium, 2 molecules of sulfur, and 5 molecules of oxygen. These are then covalently and ionically bonded, as you can see here. So we now know that tapioca root is good for us and commercially used sago rice is bad for us. What can we do? There are two main things we can do about this. First thing that we can do is support local farmers and people who make Javvarisi themselves without using chemicals. The second thing that we can do is includes artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence nowadays is able to detect the residue left of these chemicals in the sago granules and separate them. This will of course decrease the shelf life, but will also greatly improve the healthiness of the final product. So now I hope you will not eat commercially available Javvarisi and go for tapioca instead. Thank you.